Aw, shit. We're getting the douse again. It's snowing again, and this one's not gonna be a storm to mess around with. We're supposed to get like 10 to 14 inches. Maybe I'll try to find a picture for you and put it up after this clip. And we're to the far east, far east of Pennsylvania. So yeah, and that's how much we're supposed to get. So yeah, I'll keep you updated, and like I said, 10 to 14, and I have to do 2 plows because last time when it snowed, the quad didn't like the 8 heavy inches we got. So yeah, keep you updated. It is currently roughly 9 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, it's supposed to be almost a 24-hour storm, so possible 2 to 3 inches an hour. So yeah, it's going to be coming down heavy at times. Hey guys, you're watching John Deere 50T on the YouTube TV. She's really coming down now. It's probably like a 2-inch an hour there, maybe 3. It's currently 10 o'clock a.m. So it's going pretty good. There's a guy in a quad. I don't know where he's going, but yeah, just a little update here. The frickin' snow is still flying. It's about 11:30 now, and we got about 11.5 inches. Not 11.5, 6.5. That's what I meant to say. I don't know why I said 11.5. Let's make the trek over to the car here real quick. And it's hard to see on camera, but on the wing of the plow, or I can't talk now. On the wing of the car there, it's about 6.5. So what you see on the ground here is what we had. This was all plowed down to driveway. So yeah, I got the compressor running real quick. I had to use it. So hey guys, yeah, it's 11:30 update, and get back to you again. We'll have to do a plow pretty soon. I could do it all at once with this, but it's just too hard on the machine and the plow and stuff. You know, you're always high RPM, so better if I just do it while it's manageable, we'll say. And I got the cab on so I don't get soaked out there, because I'm obviously gonna have to do it while it's still snowing. It's not supposed to stop. So yeah, little update for you. We'll get back to you in a little bit. Okay, so here is a 7:30 p.m. update for you guys. Whoa, almost fell here on some ice. But yeah, we got 7.5 inches so far. So as you can see, I got that driveway done here pretty much. I didn't bother with the cosmetic, we'll say, cleanup details, because we're supposed to get another, what the heck was it, like 2 to 4 something overnight. So yeah, so I didn't bother cleaning up. I just wanted to get the majority of it plowed off, so I'm not trying to plow like 10, 14, 15 possible inches. Well, not 15, but 10, 11, 12, 13 inches at one time. So I did all the places I need to plow. So got all that done, and yeah, I will see you guys in the morning. For frig's sakes, we got the douse last night again. It is currently 6:30 in the morning. Hey, what Husqvarna tractor, right? The Husqvarna's parked there. There's no cover on it, so it just buried itself. There's the wheel horse. You can't see the car, but this is what we got last night. We got 8 inches last night, 7.5 yesterday. So a total of, that is showing 14.5. We got a little rain, so pretty much 15. So yeah, we can get out in the front now and just pop open the door here. Get old Bessie fired up. Cold start on the quad for you. Oh, what happened to this? So yeah, the dig out begins again. For freak's sakes, more snow. Son of a bitch. Anyway, guys, yeah, had you seen the video? We got like 15 inches. You can see here, I blow some of the snow away, otherwise these banks would be a lot bigger than they are. And, the banks by the road are pretty high. Give you an idea about that SUV going by there, about how high it is, and about how high the mailbox is. So, yeah, the road banks are pretty high. That we got like 8 inches the other day, and then a 15. So, yeah. I think we got enough snow for the year. Anyhow. So, yeah. There it is, guys. February. Yeah, February. What the hell? I don't know. The date will be in the link there. But, yeah. 15 inches. So, anyway, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Just one more thing to add to this video. Tell me this ain't a friggin' big snow pile, eh? Yeah, big ass snow pile. This is my eye level. Right about here, roughly. Well, no, I guess my eye level's up here. But, you can see the snow there. This is my eye level. I'm 6'1", so I'll put a picture up at the end of the video here. A picture I took by the snowblower sitting next to it. Yeah, it's a pretty high pile. We were chipping at it with the snowblower and the shovel. Could it push back some, right? Because when Mom comes out of the garage there, she got to turn around, and there's not enough room, we'll say, to swing the front around here with that big snowbank there. So, yeah, we got enough snow. That's what I say. Show you the other side of this pile real quick. Red! Yeah, you could probably maybe see the other side of the pile. But, yeah, I wouldn't want to get stuck in there. So, there it is, guys. I said thanks for watching before, but I'll say it again. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.